We're getting ready for the baby shower, which is happening in 4 hours. For the base, I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I got this as part of a set or gift was purchased. I've never actually tried this cult favorite product before. I just basically dotted some on my little sponge and ooh, looks to be a really good shade match. Love it. Oh, it feels really lightweight. Gives a good medium coverage, which is really all I need. Oh, I love it a lot. Look at this finish. Onto concealer. I always use my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Vanilla. Almost used it up. I just have a couple of pimple scars I need to cover up. I use a detailer brush from Real Technique. For bronzer slash contour, I have my NARS Laguna. This is a nice summery shade, especially if you want the contour and bronzing all in one. I feel like this is a really great product. Nose contour, and sometimes I even take it to the eyelid to create a more cohesive look around the whole face. Moving on to blush, I have been loving the combo of my Tower 28 Beach Please Magic Hour blush. A little bit definitely goes a long way, and I have recently been just using a brush to apply. I used to use my finger to apply. Both work, but I'm just lazy. I do get a little bit on the tip of my nose, again, just to create that sun-kissed look. On top of it, I like to add the Milani Baked blush in the shade Luminoso. This is such a beautiful topper shade. In fact, I sometimes even add more on top of my powder to create a very beautiful sun-kissed blush look, and these two blushes blend very well with each other. Luminoso, I think, just adds a little bit of sheen. I don't always use highlighter, but I am gonna do a bit of highlighter. This is the ColourPop Super Shock highlight in the shade Lunch Money. As you can see, I have hit pan because this stuff just works so well. Look at that. Immediately helps highlight the bridge of my nose, and I put some above my cupid's bow, my eyebrow as well, and cheek. Of course, I just do this C-shaped motion. It is somewhat subtle, but it definitely adds the sheen when you are under the light. Yeah, look at that. This is without. Moving on to eyes, I'm busting out my Tom Ford quad in the shade 26 Leopard Sun. I only have one Tom Ford quad, and I got this at an outlet, I believe, for like, I don't know, 20 something dollars, which is the only reason I bought this. I just could not justify the regular price of Tom Ford quads, but this one I have recently been using non-stop because it just is so easy to apply. There is no fallout. I love the quality of the powder, and I've heard that a lot of the Tom Ford quads don't have great color payoff, but this one actually does. I'm going to take this almost brick mauvey shade to take over the bottom third of the lid. Then I'm gonna use this darker brown shade to deepen the crease of my lid. Always use a blending brush to really blend out any edges where the shades change and just make it look a little bit more natural. Lastly, my favorite part is the highlighting shade. This is beautiful golden shimmer that I will start with the center of my lid and then kind of slowly blend it out to the rest of the lid. For the inner corner of my eye, I use this shade that I took out from my ColourPop Nude Mood 9 pan because this is just the best inner corner highlighting shade. Eyeliner done. By the way, I used the Judy Doll eyeliner. This is a Chinese makeup brand. Moving on to brow, I currently have this combo here, the NYX brow pencil. I am almost done actually. And then the Kosas Air Brow Gel. I like to do my brow pretty almost half-assed. I don't like to do it too precisely, just to create more of a natural look. Now the Kosas Brow Gel. I don't know if it really makes a difference. I just like how it does for sure hold my brows in place, but I also don't have like crazy brows, so I would not go out of my way to repurchase. On to lashes, I have my Shuamura Lash Curler. This is the current lash combo. I have my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. This actually is a white colored primer. I think I'm almost done with it. I just find that applying this before mascara basically serves as an extra layer of volume. The mascara I'm using is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is an oldie but goodie. It's been around for a while. This might be one of the first ever mascara I've ever tried, and I'm glad I have it back in my possession. This is the after, this is the before. You can definitely see visible difference. Always use Q-tip to do a little bit of cleanup. Let's powder up. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. As you can see, I am pretty much done. I have repurchased this countless of times. It just works beautifully to control the shine throughout the day, but also not taking away. Look at the highlighter, it's still on. This is such a great powder and it's so affordable. I'm pretty sure it's like $5 or something, and I will forever repurchase. The only thing is it's pretty fragile. As you can see, my packaging is like falling apart, but I just don't travel with it. I will always just keep it in my vanity, and this is in the shade 001 Transparent. My favorite part of any makeup look is definitely the lip. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Bitch Perfect. This is the perfect corally nude. It goes with truly any outfit. I just want my dress to do the talking today and the accessories. So I would say I have a pretty glammed up look, but also very neutral, so that this whole look could go with anything that I'm wearing. Before I show you my full outfit, I want to show you some pieces that I got from the brand Fedoma. This is a jewelry brand that I have received a couple of products before and really liked it. And they package everything in such beautiful packaging. Everything comes with a little poster card, and inside you have beautiful gifting tissue. I already couldn't wait, so I opened everything. Let's actually start with something small and maybe unexpected. This is a hair clip, which is in the shape of a cute little cocktail glass. I feel like this would be really fun for the baby shower. Let's unbox the necklaces. I love this necklace case. It's so luxurious, and inside it is actually a set of necklaces. So let's start with the first one. This is a pearl choker necklace that's got yellow gold beaded necklace weaving through. Never seen a design like this, and I thought this is so beautiful to wear on its own or to layer. The perfect choker length. You can also make it a bit longer if you don't like to wear it as a choker, but we're gonna layer some necklaces today. So this is the first layer. Then we've also got another cute little pearl pendant necklace. I love that this necklace comes with double pendants, so you can easily customize your look. But I also like how the pearl next to, I think this is cubic zirconia, is just so beautiful. Both are shiny in different ways, and I just like the mix of the texture. Here is the second necklace. Oh, so pretty. I would even just leave it like this if you want just a simple layered look. As you can see, it goes with the pattern of my outfit so well. And the last piece comes in this other box, and it is another necklace. This one is really special because all of the things on the necklace are like cube shaped, so it definitely adds more dimension to it. And the best part is, if you also have long nails, it is very easily adjustable. So there is a little adjustable slider design over here. This is the necklace on at the longest length, and if you want to adjust the length, again, just use this little slider thing. Just love how everything sparkles on the neck. Okay, let's look at the whole outfit for the baby shower. Here we are, the entire outfit. I am wearing this Love Shack Fancy dress that I got from, you know it, Buffalo Exchange. I just love finding great deals at Buffalo Exchange. It is so comfortable, so stretchy. Of course, you don't have to be pregnant to wear this. And I also like that there is a slit on the side, so it's great for ventilation. And of course, here's the baby bump, and I think it looks really cute when I hold my bump like this in pictures. On my foot, I have my Target slides that says Central Pay. You can't even really see it. I just really like the Dior-esque vibe, and it's actually really comfortable to wear. And of course, my Fedoma pieces. I have this hair clip. I have all three necklaces. As you can see, they really shine, and just love how comfortable and beautiful everything is with a bit of sparkle. I also have really fun nails, so I think I am ready for the shower.